Cats. Lots of people have them as pets. Dogs are popular pets too, which is why the Chomp Chomp roller might be a good gift idea. But if you've been looking at the Photics TV 12 Days of Christmas Gift Ideas playlist, you might be wondering, another cleaning product? Well, apparently the Chomp Chomp roller is really popular. When this video was created, the Chomp Chomp roller was the #1 bestseller in dog hair removal products. And it was also the #1 bestseller in cat supplies. Even better than that, it was the #1 most wished for in cat supplies. So apparently, lots of people like it, and lots of people want it. That's what this video is about. Is the Chomp Chomp roller really that good? Well, looking at the packaging, it claims to be the world's best pet hair remover. Those are bold words. So, how does it work? There's no dramatic unboxing or assembly here. It's basically ready to go. But even though it's called a roller, it wasn't exactly rolling. I could only turn the red fuzzy stuff as far as the flaps would allow. How's that supposed to work? Well, there are wheels on the side. And if you open up the lint collector, you can see that the center is not a full cylinder. Wow, that's confusing. It looks like a lot of thought went into this product. So, let's test it out. Fluffy likes to hang out on the bed, so that seems like a great place to start. And at first, I was disappointed. The Chomp Chomp roller doesn't roll like a lint brush. It grabs. It's pulling the blanket off of the bed. This might work better as a two-handed operation. One to move the roller and the other to hold things in place. This doesn't seem to be working. But I'm not giving up. The blanket is pretty clean anyway. Let's go visit a different cat. Don't mind me, Boots. I'm just cleaning up around here. Boots likes to sit on the cat tree, so that seems like a great place to start. That's also when I started getting better with the Chomp Chomp roller. First, you can really see that the cat hair is being removed. Wow, that's a lot of cat hair. I wasn't expecting so much so quickly, but it wasn't going away until... Oh, so that's how it works. The back and forth motion is what makes the Chomp Chomp roller do its thing. Long sweeping movements can work, but then the back and forth action is what cleans up the roller, depositing the pet hair into the lint collector. Previously, I hadn't seen how this thing works, and I barely glanced at the instructions, but it didn't take long to figure it out. Once I got it working, I tried it on lots of different things, like hat mats and blankets. Hey, it looks like we have a spectator. He's probably wondering what's going on. The cats do like to sniff this thing. That probably means it needs cleaning. So let's see the results. Wow, that's nuts. I wasn't even using it that long either. I just targeted a few trouble spots, and it looks like I collected another cat. Ugh. Maybe that's just beginner's luck. Let's try that again. Oof, and it did it again. Look at all those crazy hairs. Here's a better look at the back and forth action. It takes a few passes, but you can see how the Chomp Chomp roller collects the lint and cat hair. So I like this thing. Boots seems to like the results too. It's easy to see why the Chomp Chomp roller is so popular.